everybody and welcome back to another video. And today I'm plane spotting at London Stansted Airport. And you can see a Jet 2 landing in London Stansted. And also I would like to point out that thank you guys all for my subscribers and likes on all my videos. I'm really happy. And over there we've got Air Moldova that is taxiing to the runway, and this is going to Moldova. Here we've got FedEx, and it is, I think it's a Boeing 777, and it's landing in London Stansted, and I think it's from Memphis in America, its hub. It's a nice landing from FedEx. That's cool. So we've got Ryanair, Boeing 737, taking off. Say that FedEx was from Dublin, not Memphis. Here we've got a Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX, and it's landing, it's coming in from Gran Canaria. Here we've got a TUI, and it looks like a white livery. Yeah, it's just taxiing to the runway. So I think it's Boeing 737. But also the FedEx has arrived at its place now. Just getting ready to unload all the cargo that's in it. We've also got a Douglas MD-11 there. That could go maybe. Not sure, but it might go. So the TUI that is over there is operated by TUI Airways, and it's just getting ready to go. We got a Lauda Air over here. That's gonna go. So over here we've got a Jet. I actually quite like the livery for this. Very close. Very close. Looks like it's gonna come up over here. The Lauda is off. It's an Airbus A319. This looks like it's going to take off from here. Must have enough room to go after this Lauda. So here we've got an Air Moldova. This is an Airbus A321, and it's going to Moldova. You can hardly hear it because of the massive, well, the jet that's there. And there it goes off to Moldova. Here we have got a little private jet that's taking off. Doesn't have any name on it, so I'm not really sure what type aircraft it is. And there it goes. Here we've got a TUI Boeing 737 operated by TUI Airways, like a white livery. It's taking off from London Stansted. Do you guys like that white livery? And if you do, let me know in the comments. And off it goes. Here we got Jet 2 coming in from Tenerife. Jet2 Hyundai's livery, Boeing 737. Yeah, that jet is still waiting there. And also, over there, that FedEx is just unloading. It's very quiet now. And now the little jet is moving. Yeah, it's very quiet. Now it's moving over, taxiing to the runway. Oh wait, no, it's taking off from here actually. So it's gonna go here. I think that's purple. Yeah, I think that's a purple one. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's like a purple and white colour. And there it goes. Very slow off starting, revving up its engine. There it goes. Jet2 and Jet2, it operated by Titan Airways, Airbus A321, taking off. Anadolu jet operated by Turkish Airlines. It's going to Istanbul, Boeing 737. This is a Jet2. This is just a normal silver Jet2 livery. It's going to Cyprus and it's a Boeing 737. What livery of the Jet2 do you like? The Jet2 Hyundai's livery or the normal Jet2 livery like this one here? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. So to end the video, I would like to show you this Geodis Air Network. It's going to Amsterdam. It's an Airbus A330. It is massive. Been waiting quite a while for this. Oh yeah, and I think it's operated by Titan Airways. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like it, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys in the next video.